Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have an update on the Moto G Stylus 2025 after using it for about 2 months now. And I just want to give y'all an update. I like doing these type of car vlogs. This is the Motorola G Stylus 2025's camera, shooting in 4K. How does everything look? How does I sound? I'm not using any external mics or anything. And we can just have a friendly discussion about this device. I actually have been enjoying this device for the last 2 months. And I can't believe that it has been that much fun. I just missed the Moto actions. The screen it gets bright. The 6.7 inch screen here. The speakers sound great. The cameras are, the cameras are what the cameras are for a $399 phone. Look at it right now. How does it look? Y'all let me know. But overall, my experiences with it, I've been shocked. I didn't know I could enjoy this phone so much in a little period of time. And it's probably one of the best purchases I did in 2025 so far. I do have my S25 Ultra. It's still a beast of a phone, but for $399, you cannot really beat the value that you get with this phone. And I'm really enjoying it. I actually use the Stylus more on this than the S Pen 2, which is very weird. I don't know why, but I do. It comes in handy taking notes and stuff. But watching YouTube, so let's get into it. The display, I love the display on this phone. Now, is it better than my S25 Ultra? No, but I think for a lot of people will enjoy the display. The 6.7 inch screen is beautiful. Watching YouTube videos, Netflix, like I said earlier, is great with the speakers on there. The cameras on this phone have been, surprisingly good. The videos, if you have a lot of sunlight like it is right now, it sounds really great. I mean, it looks really good. In the low light, it could be a little bit more, it could have a little bit more detail, but overall, I've been enjoying the cameras on here. Battery life, I can get like 2.5 days of battery life, and it's super fast charging on here. It has water resistance on here, IP68 rating, so it has a lot of flagship stuff on here. The Snapdragon processor is decent. You're not going to be editing a like 6 gig video on here or anything like that, but for everyday use, I don't think you have a problem with that Snapdragon that's in here. I love the build on here. The vegan leather is great on the back. I mean, everything else has been really fun on this phone. And the Moto actions with the Android on here, Android 14, I believe, it is great. Or Android 15, I'm sorry. I think it has 15 on here. I don't know. I have so many phones right now. I think this has Android 15. That with Moto, it's just a great combination. I love what Moto does with the Android operating system. I have always enjoyed it, and it's no difference now. Now, couldn't it be better? Yes. I mean, you could have a better processor in there, a stronger one. You can also have better cameras in here as far as, low light and nighttime photos. But for what you pay for, it is really good. And with the way the world is going, economies, people's paychecks, if you're not looking to spend $1,000 on a phone, this might be an option for you. I think a lot of people would enjoy having this phone and using it every single day. And that's another thing, using it as a phone every day, making text, phone calls, Snapchat, Facebook, whatever you do on your phone every day has not been a problem either. It really hasn't. So overall, am I shocked and am I enjoying my experiences? Yes. Can I recommend this phone? Yes, I would. I mean, if you don't want to spend $1,000 on the S25 Ultra or the Edge or the S25 Plus, then get this phone. I think you really would enjoy it. Especially if you like Moto in the past, I don't think you will have a problem with this one too. So I'm enjoying it. Y'all let me know if y'all picked it up, or you enjoying the phone. Did you return it? You know, are you as excited as I am about it? But what y'all think about these cameras? Hopefully you like this type of videos where I'm just driving, giving y'all areas, because what I'm seeing on the phone right now, the video looks pretty good. I really can't complain. I just don't know how my voice will come out, but with the speaker, with the mics on here, I don't know. Y'all let me know. But it's just a friendly video. I love doing these type of videos, going over my experiences for the last 2 months. I definitely will keep this phone in rotation. I know the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is coming out, so I'm excited to get that phone. But for the Moto G Stylus 2025, I've been enjoying it. I think I'm going to keep enjoying it. Y'all let me know if you like the video. Give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Moto G Stylus 2025. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Fords Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.